What was that? I know that was omurice. CZ or C2? Anyway, Cinnapon is cooking omurice. First you cut the ingredients. Before all these, you need to cook some rice. By the way, this is serving for two. Cinnapon cooked 270 cubic centimeters of rice already. I guess she was hungry. Cut a carrot. That wasn't something removable. Cut some onion. She used some hams this time. Chicken is used for the basic ketchup rice. Char siu or sausages are also okay. Turn on the heat. Add some olive oil. Stir fry the onion and carrot first. You don't need to do that. Put the ham. Add some pepper. Add some chicken broth powder. Make some roux. Add 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Then put the rice for 2. Stir well. You can add more ketchup if you wish. Cooking ketchup rice is done. Transfer the ketchup rice to 2 plates. Omurice is often oval, but you can make any shape. Now you need to clean the frying pan. She's using a wet kitchen paper. Turn on the heat again. Add some olive oil or any cooking oil. Butter is the most common for omurice. I saw some butter in her fridge, so I guess she is considering the calories. Okay, Cinnapon. I almost forgot. She just showed 2 eggs in a bowl. 1 egg for a plate is a little bit less. 2 large eggs is just the size. Restaurants often use 3 eggs though. Oops. You didn't see that. No, you didn't. Phew. Make sure the pan is hot. She poured egg a little bit too soon. You should heat the pan more. How much you cook the egg is up to you. However, to avoid food poisoning, please read the caution for cooking eggs in the description. Thank you, kitten. Okay. You can turn off the heat. And cover the ketchup rice with the omelet. Nice and easy. Oops. She messed the plate. Now, it's the fan part. You can draw anything with ketchup. I guess it's a football. I think it was the Super Bowl day. Not recorded, but she made another omelet. This one is for her. She likes cheese. That is a regular sliced cheese. It will melt under the hot omelet. Did you want to see how she wraps the omelet? She says her frying pan doesn't suit for that. Another drawing time. C2, or CZ. She never told me what it was. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese if you like. Thanks for watching.